Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Mercedes-Benz estate. This is the C300 Hybrid. It's the Sport Premium Plus model. So it's a 2.1 diesel with a 27 brake horsepower electric motor, coupled to a 7-speed automatic gearbox. The car was first registered September 2015 on 65 registration, just one former keeper from new. The car benefits from a full Mercedes and specialist service history comprising 8 services in total. Last done March 2022 at 104,000 miles, which included a brand new set of front and rear brake pads. Mileage now is just a fraction under 105,000. Next service is the AEG, which is due in 325 days. MOT is valid through until the 5th of May 2023 with no advisories. So the diesel engine is compliant with the ultra low emission zones. It's a Euro 6 diesel, which does feature the AdBlue additive as well. Self-charging hybrid producing 99 grams of CO2, 76.4 miles to the gallon, claimed average from Mercedes, and 228 brake horsepower. Free from road tax. The car benefits from an excellent set of tyres. 3 of them are brand new, and the near side rear Nexon tyre is on 7mm of tread. This Sport Premium Plus model features a very high level of specification as standard. It does also have some very nice factory options. Also, we have a panoramic electric sunroof, also with an electric blind. This model features the driver assistance pack, which has the blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, steering assist. We've also got head-up display, automatic LED headlights, some AM/FM radio, along with Bluetooth connectivity for phone, Bluetooth music streaming, Wi-Fi connectivity, hard drive, and Burnister surround sound system. Both front seats are electrically operated with memory function, as well as being heated. The car has front and rear parking sensors, along with electric windows all round, electric folding, heated and dimming wing mirrors also. This C-Class is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with both remote control keys, a set of tailored carpet mats, full book packs present, along with the lock-in wheel bolts. The car is motor check clear, so there is no outstanding finance, and the car's not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. All the paperwork's present. Test drives welcome. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange form, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.